haunted places in Delhi because I am from Delhi. I usually suffer from this kind of situations when I visit to a crowded place. I would like to talk about I would like to talk about a place which is very crowded, that is Chandni Chowk. I visit to Sisganj Gurdwara with my family. We all family members plan to visit Gurdwara Sisganj Sahib, which is situated in between the Chandni Chowk and Red Fort. So there was a huge market in between the street. So in between the street, when I visited there, there are many market, and to attract the visitors, they have some employers who talk to visitor and attract them to come in the shop. And it is also crowded because of the historical places near Chandni Chowk. On the entrance of the Chandni Chowk, there are Jain Mandir also. Because of the temple, uh, the Jainis came to the temple for worship, and after the temple there are Shiv Mandir, and it is the place of Hindu religion. So because of it, it is also crowded place. So this is the place when I visited, and I found it very
So
crowded.
now I have some follow-up question to you. Is there a completely quiet place?
No, it is not a completely quiet place because it is the tourist attraction point because of the historical places.
Okay. Do you like to go to the place where there are many people?
No, I'm not like that places because I do not like to visit such kind of places because I do not like gathering so much. So I'm not interested to go on that places where the tourist came.
Okay. Do you like the places with the large space?
Yes, I like to visit large places because there are many space to wandering. So I like to visit large places.
Okay. What are the places which attract many people in your country?
In my country, there are many places because of the ancient time. India is a diverse country, and India is a diverse country. Because of it, there are many people who live from different culture and traditions, and India has its own history, and there are many historical places in India which attracts the tourist very much.
Okay. What do you think is the most important thing of a public event? What do you think is the most important thing of a public event?
Um, the most important thing of public event is
Security.
security, because without security, the place become overcrowded, and if someone found if someone misplaced their things, we have to inform the security. We should inform the security to bring it back. So for the public event, we should have arranged the security.
Okay. What kind of places do people want to go when they want to be alone?
um, in my opinion, when someone feel alone, they want to go at that places which is quiet and which is quiet which is uh, which is quiet, and where nobody talk to them, and they feel they spend their time alone,
and they want to be at home.
and they don't want.
They want to be.
They want to go their home.
Why is it sometimes important for people to be alone?
When people, in my opinion, when people are under stress, nahin,
Alone.
when
People are
people
alone, they can reflect themselves, they can
Uh,
make the plan, they can think.
when people are alone, when, in my opinion, when people are alone, they reflect their selves, and want to stay alone in those places which are quiet.
Okay, now next topic for you, just write down. Ready? Job you would not like to do in the future. Job you would not like to do in the future. What is the job? First point. What is the job? Why don't you want to do it? Why you don't want to do it? How you feel about the job? How you feel about job? Ready? Now the 2 minutes to explain this topic, right? When I say okay, over, then time is over. Ready? Start.
There are many jobs which people do not like to do because of their interest, and some jobs are very difficult to do, like if, for example, army doctors, and there are also other jobs which people not prefer to do. Now I would like to describe a job in which I am not interested. The job is work from the home, which I do not like to do in the future, because in this kind of job we cannot met with intelligent people who we found in the outside of the home, so I do not like this type of jobs, and I do not want this job also, because in this type of job
How you feel?
the activity is in the passive way, and in this job we do not assess ourselves, because if we work outside from the home, people assess us, and make us clear the mistakes of us, and I feel that we have to work in those we have to work in the field, like in which we do actively engaged, so I feel
Monotonous.
I feel
Monotonous and
monotonous and dejected.
Okay, thank you. Now the follow-up questions to you. What kind of jobs do young people prefer?
Now the technology develop very faster from the ancient time. So young people like to do jobs like in the
creative
IT,
job.
in the like creative jobs, like work in the IT sectors and electronic media. So these are the jobs that young generation prefer.
Some people will lose their jobs because of technology. How to deal with it? How to deal with it?
In my opinion, now this era, the scientists create many robots which do the work and we should deal it with deal it with very crucially, that we engaged we have to engage ourselves in these kind of work in spite the using of robots.
Will you settle down in another country?
Yes, I want to settle down in other countries because the profession which I choose, the scope of this field is in overseas. So I prefer to go abroad for further education.
How do young people today decide their career?
Uh, now this time, younger people have many options, like they consult with the agency who direct them to choose the field. So it is the best option for the young generations.
What do young people generally prefer? Boring jobs with the higher pay or interesting jobs with lower pay?
I think nowadays people prefer creative job. Young generation prefer creative job. Whether they earn low salary, but the fact is that they want to do jobs which is adventurous and interesting or creative.
Which do you prefer, physical work or involving thinking?
I prefer to do both of these. I prefer to work in both of the quality. नहीं, quality नहीं है sir.
Both of the types of work.
Both of the types of work, because we when we actually engaged in active क्या था sir? Active physical job, we also have to use our mind, use our sense of humor to make it great.
Okay. Do you think today we have less physical labor than we did in the past? Do you think today we have less physical labor than we did in the past?
Yes, I agree to this statement, that in the ancient time people are very active. Because they take proper balanced diet. Now that time, people are only based on Western. People prefer to take Western culture. In this, they eat junk food, and they do not take proper nutrition, which gives them energy to do work. So I think now this time people have